Hi there, my name is Ron Keshner from South Africa's leading tech rental company, Go Rentals. In today's digital age, subscribing to software as a service and cloud storage solutions is common practice for many businesses. But have you considered the benefits of subscribing to device as a service? It's commonly known as DaaS for your IT hardware needs. You see, just like SaaS and cloud storage, IT device as a service offers you a fully subscription-based model. And the real benefit is that you receive not just hardware, but also fully comprehensive support, maintenance with all upgrades included. This means your team always has access to the latest technology and you never have to worry about outdated equipment or those seriously time-wasting repairs. I sound like a used car salesman now, but there's more, because the IT device as a service also makes sure that your hardware is always up to date and secure. And with regular updates and proactive maintenance, your devices are always kept in peak condition. Because as any IT manager will tell you, downtime really is the enemy. So check out Device as a Service, because by subscribing to it in one foul swoop, you can streamline your IT operations, improve your financial flexibility, and make absolutely sure your team always has access to the latest and, just as importantly, most secure technology.